All right, today we're going to do a video of our Tos BUB32A by 1500. It's new in 1998, serial number 0289539/90-01965. It's a universal cylindrical grinder. It has a Teach 51 control. I'm just going to do a quick basic video. Machine is equipped with coolant. Start the hydraulics. Start the wheel. Wheel runs very quietly. You can jog over here your work head. The work head is variable. You can switch your gear ranges also. Switch back. Just gonna tell the head to come in. That's your table. You can speed up or slow down through the control. How fast your table reciprocates. Send everything back. You also have a hand wheel for your wheel head in and out positioning. You can see here. Moving back right now. Off. Your tailstock quill is powered from the foot pedal. And that's about it. That's just a quick video of the basic machine operation. Thanks for watching.